Alright guys, I'm going to take the thumbnail, and I noticed this, I want to show you all. Since you can't really tell on camera how much of a difference clay makes, so I set this right here, and it stays. I set it right here, and it slides all the way down. Try that again. Set it here, nothing. Same spot, different side. If that isn't enough to prove to you that clay makes a difference, I don't know what it is. Catch y'all later.
I want it, I like it, I buy it. I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in the...
What's going on, everybody? It's Aaron Cates, and I'm coming out with another video today. Now, today's video is going to be a detailing video. Like I promised in the bringing off-roading to this channel video, I'm going to be doing a bunch of different things to the truck. I'm going to be bringing you guys different content, and this is one of those different videos. Now, today's video, we are going to be doing over Mother's Clay Kit. I picked this up from AutoZone as the value pack, as you can see right here. In this pack, it comes with 200 grams of clay. It comes with the Instant Detailer spray to lubricate the surface, so when you're running the clay across the truck, you got something to lubricate it. And it comes with a microfiber towel to kind of wipe down once you're done. But as you know, with clay, you have to have a clean vehicle first. You can't just go over it and instantly start claying your vehicle, so we have to wash the vehicle first. And if you follow me on Instagram, I put out a thing yesterday asking what you guys want brought to the channel. Sorry for the background noise that just kicked on, that's the air conditioning unit. But you guys want the detail videos, so it's going to be a detail video, but we're going to be claying the truck. Let me give you a look at what the truck looks like right now. So you guys don't usually see the truck parked up underneath this tree. It is currently pretty sunny out right now in Florida, and truck is normally parked in the driveway over there. And the thing with clay or any detailing, you never want the truck to be hot. So since my truck is a dark gray color, when it sits in the sun it gets very hot. So I came and parked it underneath this not very leaf colored tree. This tree looks pretty dead, to be honest, but had to park it over here to get some shade to let this paint cool so we can go over and start detailing it. Now, as you can see, truck is pretty filthy. It rained for the last 2 days, and when you have offset, you guys know that have offset, what normally would just get trapped in your wheel well comes out and hits your mirrors, hits the side of your truck. Same goes for the back of your truck. So the back here is super filthy, so of course we got to go around, tripping over sticks over here. You guys got to go around and wash off the whole truck. Now, you don't have to go super crazy. You don't have to detail the truck. You don't have to wax it or anything like that. You just want to go around, get the truck nice and washed, get it nice and clean, so there's no other contaminants bothering you during this process. So I'm going to get everything ready to get this truck washed, and then we're going to go around and clay the whole truck. Okay, to be washing the truck, I'm going to be using some Armor All Ultra Shine Wash and Wax. Now, this is just normal car soap. It says it's got a Caruba mix in it, or Carnuba, however you want to pronounce that. But just simple stuff to wash the truck. So first you're going to hose it down. And yes, I do use a brush to wash my truck. This isn't like a car wash brush. It's a soft bristle brush. Super soft, not gonna hurt your paint at all. Just dip it into a bucket. I don't have the dirt trap thing that Chemical Dye sells, since I've washed my vehicles my whole life. But as you guys know, my paint isn't super nice on my truck, so. Alright guys, now this side's done, I'm going to go ahead and jump over and do the other side. You guys won't see that, but I'll pick you up when I'm done. Okay guys, so for the most part, the truck is clean. Now we're going to get started with the clay bar kit. So, I'll give y'all a quick walk around the truck so you can see what it looks like beforehand, and then we'll jump in, start with the clay. The paint is not perfect. There's rock tips, there's scratches. As you can tell from this side, this fender is absolutely destroyed, so we'll see what the clay has to do to that. I don't really think it's going to do much of anything. I'd rather repaint this fender, but give y'all a quick walk around on the truck. Bunch of scratches right here. I know clay is not going to fix a lot of things, but it's definitely going to help out a lot. Super faded back here. And one thing I really want to see, my roof got scratched. This was probably about 1.5 years ago. Got scratched right here. I don't know if you can see those lines, but that was my terrible Duplicolor job. It was all the way down to the metal right in here. I'm sure you can see those lines, but it was all the way down to the metal right in here. So I just took some Duplicolor, went over it because I didn't want it to rust. But the roof is something I really can't wait to try the clay bar on. It looks super reflective right now because the truck is wet and there's no wax, ceramic coating, anything like that on here, so it looks super shiny. It looks like glass, but that is because it is wet. As you can see, the roof is like super, I'm sure you can hear that, so hopefully the clay can fix that. And that is actually what we're going to start on first, is the roof. Okay, so we are up here on the truck. We've got the clay bar, or the clay kit, I should say. Now, what comes in this kit is the Mother's Instant Detailer. You have a Mother's microfiber towel, and you have 2 100-gram tabs, or bars, of clay. Now, this does come with directions, so we're going to try and follow them. We're not going to be using both bars of clay, obviously. We're going to go ahead and put this up here. We're going to start with this section right here in front of you guys so you can see it. Now, this is my first time ever claying something, so I'm no professional by no means, but from what I have seen online and videos on YouTube, you do not want to use the whole thing of clay. You want to try and break off a little section of it. So we're going to use this little bit right here. I'll fold this up and set it to the side. And then set this over here. We're going to get our Instant Detailer spray. Then turn this on and start spraying middle section. It's all the way tight. So just to make this into this flat piece in the palm of your hand. I would think this is pretty flat, so go ahead and start. Okay, so that's getting pretty smooth now, so I'm going to set this to the side. I'm going to pull out this microfiber towel. It says just to wipe it dry, so. I can still hear some imperfections, so I'm going to go over this one more time. But so do the color of the towel. So you want to spray. little area. Fold this over again. Make it nice and flat. And then go at it again. Alright, let's see if you guys can tell the difference. So, let's go over to the clay section, try and keep my shadow out of it. I can tell that this clay section over here is a lot more shiny than this section. It's hard to tell on camera, but super smooth. Hear how you don't hear anything? Come over here, here. Do that again. So if that's not enough to tell you right there that this makes a difference, then I don't know what is. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna clay bar this whole roof, and we'll jump down and we'll do the hood, and I'll pick you guys up for that. Catch y'all then. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing this one-handed because my tripod cannot go at a good enough angle to record kind of straight down for you guys to see. So we got us a new piece of clay. Got the roof done. As you can see, it looks a whole lot shinier than before. There's still some dull spots where the paint's starting to fade out. But as you guys know, I live in Florida and there's not much you can do about that. So we're going to start. Let's find a bad spot. Let's just do this little section. Doesn't help there's water on it. Let's do this section right here. So we'll just do kind of like a little square area right here for you guys to see. So you're gonna go ahead and get your detail spray. Over where it's wet, flip your microfiber back over, go over it again. Alright, if you guys remember, all you hear is my nails actually going across it. You don't hear little things like, you hear my nails keep touching stuff on the paint and leaving marks like that luckily just wipe right off, so you guys don't think I'm crazy. But there's nothing here. You know, you can kind of hear that. I hope this camera picks it up, but your fingers going across it make a noise. Over here it's smooth. I wish you guys could come through the camera and feel this, because you can feel this and it feels dry, like my hand is catching stuff here. And yes, my hand is on the truck. Super smooth. Doesn't really make a visual difference, besides see how that's like a little cloudy, that's a little bit clear. It's not a massive visual difference. Now the cool thing about clay, I haven't seen myself in a while, I'm super sweaty, but cool thing about clay is I came over here and I did these side windows. Side windows are nice and smooth now. Now I imagine the tint guy probably did something along those lines. Probably didn't clay it, but he probably cleaned the windows pretty good with a razor blade, so there wasn't really much to come off the windows, but they're super smooth. And I even tried the new mirrors. You guys can see yourself there. But I did the mirrors. I did this bedside over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole truck. It's gonna be a lot of work. Florida sucks. You guys ever think about moving to Florida because you're tired of the cold? Stay where you're at, because it sucks here. It's hot. Super hot. But I get the truck done and pick you guys up then. So sorry, you guys were staring at my chin there. Probably just gonna do the hood and leave the passenger side because I'm feeling lazy, but catch y'all when I'm done. Alright guys, truck is halfway clayed. The whole driver's side is done. Have not gotten to the passenger side. I actually stepped over and went to this fender you guys saw earlier. It's super bad. It's actually a lot smoother. I know you can still hear it, but it's a lot smoother than it was, and I think it's no longer like as dull. It's got some shine to it, but I think it needs a good compound and a polish. But this whole fender's getting repainted, so I'm not too worried about it. I did half the hood, but yeah, you guys love that magnificent dent right there. Somehow that was someone from Walmart back when the truck was stock. Had like basketball sized dent right here. I pushed most of it out except for this little bit right here that's in a body line up the center of the hood. But let's give this a listen. Alright. So much better. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better. I'm happy to say for my first time ever doing a clay bar, or ever using a clay bar, I think I did pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and close the video out here. I mentioned in the last video, the tent video, that once I get the 100 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway. I said it was going to be a month long. It is actually going to be 2 weeks long. I dropped it down. My girlfriend said to me, why would you do it for a month? It's nothing big like a car or anything like Street Speed or any of them do. But I don't want to go giving away something and gain like 10 subscribers out of it. The whole reason is to get my channel noticed some more and pay you guys back that have been following along, and anyone who's going to join the build. I want to pay you guys back for that. So, and I'm not getting paid from YouTube. This is not a sponsored video whatsoever. I'm not getting paid by Mothers. This product was not sent to me. I purchased this with my own money. This is the clay kit. I have the receipt in my door actually, but it was like 22 and change, so it was about $23. If you're wanting to try clay barring something, I strongly suggest it. I think it turned out magnificent. Most timely for my first time ever trying it. So, thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. These love bugs are killing us down here in Florida. If you don't know what a love bug is, come visit Florida and find out. They suck. But thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video.